Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sheisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful triangular shape shawl, which is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. We are going to repeat only 2 rows till the end of this project. For this project I have used here 100% acrylic yarn and the hook size is 3.5 mm. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, and if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give your thumbs up as well. So let's start our project. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and then going to make chain 1 2 3 4, yarn over into the very first chain inside the hook, and going to make 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet. So here we got 3 double crochets including these 3 chains. The fourth one, fifth one, and the last one, it is here, that's sixth one. So here we got a shell which is having 6 double crochet stitches, and then turn the project, insert the hook into the very first double crochet, we'll make 1 single crochet, again into the second we'll make 1 single crochet, into the third we'll make 1 single crochet, into the fourth under these 2 loops we'll make 1 single crochet, into the fifth we'll make 1 single crochet, and then at the end into the sixth we'll make, here it is a chain, 3 chains we had, right, that one. So top of this third chain we'll make 1 single crochet, so 6 double crochets, and then we got 6 single crochet stitches. Now turn the project into the very first single crochet, just keep the yarn like this, we'll make 1 single crochet, inside the hook into the first or second loop of this single crochet we'll make 1 more single crochet. So we got here 1 double crochet, yarn over into the same we are going to make 5 more double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, and then the sixth one, yarn over. Now let's keep all these 4 single crochet stitches, and to the last we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then again we are going to make 5 more double crochet stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here we got 6 double crochet stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, the sixth one here, 1 2 3 4 5, the sixth one it is here. Now turn the project into the very first double crochet, we'll make 1 single crochet, 2 3 4 5, and the sixth one it is here, again 1 2 3 4 5, at the end we'll make the sixth one. So we have finished here 2 rows. Now let's turn the project into the first we'll make 1 single crochet, into the second loop of this first single crochet inside the hook and make 1 more single crochet, yarn over, inside we'll make 5 more double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, here into the sixth double crochet we'll make 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, again yarn over, at the end here let's count 1 2 3 4 5 into the sixth one. Carefully do the stitches into the last one, otherwise the edges will go wrong. So let's make here 6 double crochet stitches. 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again, let's turn the project, and then into the very first we'll make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 3 4 5, sixth one it is here. Again into the next 1 2 3 4 5 6, into the next 1 2 3 4 5. At the end we'll make the sixth one. Again turn the project, into the very first we'll make 1 single crochet, insert the hook into the second loop of this, we'll make 1 more single crochet. So we are going to do the same pattern, yarn over, inside we'll make 5 more double crochet. 3 4 5. So we got here, including these single crochets, 6 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5, and this the last one. Yarn over, here we have the sixth stitch. There we'll make 1 2 3 3 4 5 and the sixth one. Again yarn over, and to the sixth here we'll make 6 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Yarn over, here 1 2 3 4 5, and to the last we have the sixth one. Let's make 6 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So same like this we are going to repeat till we get our desired size for this shawl. So here I have finished 3 more rounds. So the pattern goes like this, where the more you go, the more it will go wider and bigger. So if you want to continue more, you can continue, or if you want to stop here, just make a chain here, and then we can snip off this yarn. Then just pull this. Again we are going to hide this excess yarns into this single crochet stitches. And then again we'll cut this excess. So that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more patterns, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon. Do share and comment before you go. See you on next video with a different pattern. Thank you.